How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, everyone? I'm so sorry for my voice, but you know how it is. This is flu season time. Okay, so guys, gold really surprises everyone. Remember, this is analyzing with Eldorado effects. This is not financial advice. It's only our view, what we think happens in the market. Use this analysis to use it with yours and to use confirmation always to enter any trade or anything. Okay, guys, now talking about gold, it was really crazy the way that it break here and then it came down all the way to 4,536 and took liquidity and flew. That is why our key zone for this coming week will be 4,550 to 4,520. If the price remains above this key zone, very likely that we're going to be looking for buys. But at the same time, because this is a ranging market, you see the messy price, even in the 4-hour time frame. If you go to the lower time frame, you will see even more mess. So key zone 4,619 to 4,644. The zone to break by the buyers to be able to go to the possible target 4,700 and to the long-term target 4,800. Very simple, very straightforward. If we see the price flying above and closing above the key zone, very likely that the price is gonna keep going up. Very simple as that. So break of structure means continuation after retest. That's what basically happens usually in gold, especially if the price respect the key price 4,500. We're going simple and respect the trend line. So for now, let's see what the price does. But yeah, this is very important to see the continuation and the break to either side because at the moment it's pure consolidation. So for you a scalper, it's a very opportunity to scalp between these two areas, between 4,550 to 4,644. That's the range is what it is right now, but the main range is between 4,570 and 4,644. Okay, so just be careful, be mindful, and wait for confirmations before entering either a sell or either a buy. The zones are there. Confirmation will be again the breakout. Let's have a look, but that's how we go with the flow. Let's see what the market brings us this coming week. Okay, all the best in gold. Bitcoin. We told you guys that Bitcoin might drop, and it really happens. It really happens. We saw Bitcoin dropping to the zone that we gave you guys, 94,780 to 93,507, and then bouncing. And then yesterday closed very heavily bearish, but today is again bouncing from the zone. But congratulations for those who are making money in Bitcoin. The long-term view is that Bitcoin, remember, take us to fly. But the big confirmation will be the break of 100,000. That's what we're looking for. Okay, the calendar for this coming week, not much going on, especially Monday and Tuesday. Then we have some red folders coming up on Wednesday. Some news. We have Tron that's going to speak. That's going to shake the market. So just be careful. This all of this is UK time, but you can find Forex Factory on your browser if you're any part of the world, and it will let you know in your time when it's going to happen. Those news. We also have on Thursday final GDP and core PCE, and on Friday we have another flags manufacturing and flags services PMI. My recommendation is that if you don't know how this works, you click here on the folders and it will let you know what these news are about and the notes, and you can go and even check the previous ones about what happened before in this news. If you click the folder, more information will be released for you and you will understand more about why it's moving the market, this news, and what is happening. Okay, so look at this. We also can go back to history in this case. Trump has spoken last time and January 13. And then what happened in January 13? we saw that the market move a lot. And that's what happened usually. When Trump speaks and release any X or anything, it would be it would move the market. So just be careful with those news. Check for confirmation and go for it. Okay, going now at last to El Dorado FX free. As you know, guys, we do every day. We give you every day 1 to 2 signals per day, which is amazing. The results speak for themselves. This week alone, last week alone, more than 700 pips for free given on El Dorado FX free. So just click the link below, check the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. It's for free, and all the best. Anyways, we're here for you, anything you need. See you in the next video. Expect you in the next video. Take it easy. This was Analyzing with El Dorado FX. Bye-bye.